Happy New Year everybody! It's been a while. I am back with a new video tutorial for you guys. This will be a present from me to you for the new start of 2018. Today's character will be from one of my absolute favorite Japanese animated fantasy film, My Neighbor Totoro. The total units for Totoro will be 1095. If you want to make him half the size I have here, just decrease the number of units in half. This is going to be a long video, so let's get started as soon as possible. First, we will make Totoro paws. Start out with 3 inverted units on the bottom, then connect 4 normal units on top. Notice that the outer units on the left and right will connect to one of the spike on the bottom only. Next row, we will connect 5 units, same thing as the bottom. 2 units on the outer left and right side will connect to one of the spike on the bottom. Last row, we will connect 3 units. This time connect 2 outer units left and right to 3 spike on the bottom, and the left unit in the middle will be connected to 4 spike. Do the same for the other paw with the same pattern. To make Totoro arms, start out with 2 inverted units on the bottom, then connect 3 normal units on top. Same technique as the paw on the outer units. Then connect 4 units. Then connect 3 units. This time the outer unit will connect to 3 spikes instead of 2. You are trying to cover every spike so it won't stick out. Then 4 units. Then 5 units. Then 4 units, same thing, the outer will connect to 3 spikes. Then 5 units. Now decrease to 3 units by connect 2 outer units to 3 spikes on the bottom, and the middle one will connect 4 spikes on the bottom. Then 2 units, each connect to 3 spikes, the last one connect to 2 spikes. The tail, you don't need to flip units. Start out by putting 4 normal units on the bottom, then connect the pattern that I put on the right side here on the screen. Same techniques, don't let any spikes on the side to stick out. Now we're going to the important part, Totoro body. Start out with the first row by inverted 30 units on the bottom row. Then connect the second row normally with 12 white units, and the rest will be in gray units. Third row will be 11 white units. And the rest in gray. Fourth row will be 12 white units and the rest in gray. Then the next 4 rows will be alternating between 11 to 12 white units, which means on the 8th row you will have 12 white units if you follow the pattern. For the 9th row, add in 11 white unit first, then count 4 units from the outer of both sides and add in a white unit in between. This row we will increase 30 units to 32 units total for each row. Then the rest will connect in gray units. Next row, add in 14 white units and the rest in gray units. Then next row, 13 white units. Then the next row will be 14 white units. We will have the total of 4 rows of 32 units. Next, the 13th row, we will increase 32 units to 36 units. Start out by adding 13 white units first. Then count 1 white unit from the outer of both sides in and add in 1 white unit each side. Then add the rest of the units in gray. After that, count the gray units that next to the white units on each side in by 5. Then add in 1 gray unit each side. Next row, add in 16 white units. The rest will be in gray. For the 15th row, add in 15 white units and the rest in gray unit. Now we're going to decrease 36 units to 34 units. Connect 2 white units, each to 3 bottom spikes each side, leaving 1 spike out. Then connect the rest of the white unit normally. And the rest in gray units. Next, add in 11 white units normally, the rest will be in gray units. Then the next row will be 10 white units, then the row after in 9 white units. Keep going till you got to 6 units on the 22nd row. Next row, add in 5 white units. This is where we're going to make Totoro heads by decreasing 34 units to 26 units each row. For the gray units, add in 8 gray units each side. Each unit will connect to 3 bottom spikes. Then add in the rest 5 gray units normally. For the next 8 rows, add in 26 gray units each row. When you're done connecting, start to shape the head to an oval shape instead of the round shape for the face like this. Last step, cut out Totoro ear, eyes, nose, mouth, whiskers, and belly crest like this. You can customize your Totoro facial expressions, then glue in the paws, arms, and tail to complete the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Check out the film if you hasn't had a chance to, and check out my other video tutorials as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see the update. Be creative and be inspired. Bye guys, and see you on the next video.